Is Earth the only abode of life in the universe, or is there more out there waiting to be discovered? This question, as ancient as human curiosity itself, has fueled our exploration of the cosmos for centuries. As we gaze up at the night sky, we cannot help but wonder about the countless stars, galaxies, and worlds beyond our own. The universe is vast, its scale incomprehensible, its mysteries countless. Amidst the celestial expanse we find Jupiter, the largest planet in our solar system. Orbiting this gas giant is a moon that has captivated scientists and space enthusiasts alike, Europa. Larger than Pluto, Europa is a world of ice and rock, but beneath its frozen surface it hides a tantalizing possibility, a liquid ocean. Could this ocean, concealed beneath miles of ice, hold the secret to life beyond Earth? Today, we delve into the icy world of Europa and explore the potential for life in its hidden oceans. Europa, the icy moon of Jupiter, holds a secret beneath its frozen surface. Meet Europa, the sixth closest moon of the gas giant Jupiter, discovered by Galileo Galilei on a chilly January night in the year 1610. This celestial body about the size of Earth's moon is a world of contrasts, with a surface covered in a thick crust of water ice and a heart that is believed to be a silicate rock. Now imagine looking at Europa through a telescope. Its surface is a surreal, chaotic terrain of ice, crisscrossed by a labyrinth of ridges and cracks. It's like an alien artist's canvas painted with a palette of whites and blues. But the real magic is what lies beneath. In the late 20th century, the Galileo spacecraft's close encounters with Europa tantalized scientists with evidence of something extraordinary. The spacecraft detected an irregular magnetic field around Europa, suggesting the presence of an electrically conductive material beneath its icy surface. The most likely candidate, a salty, liquid ocean. As more data trickled in from subsequent missions, the evidence of water on Europa became undeniable. In 2013, the Hubble Space Telescope spotted plumes of water vapor erupting from Europa's south pole, a spectacle reminiscent of geysers on Earth. These discoveries sent shockwaves through the scientific community, raising the tantalizing possibility that Europa's hidden ocean could harbor life. Europa's ocean is estimated to be twice the volume of all of Earth's oceans combined. Imagine that. An ocean world silently spinning in the vacuum of space, warmed by the tidal forces of Jupiter's immense gravity. Could this vast alien ocean concealed beneath miles of ice be a cradle for life? Europa's hidden ocean has sparked a flame of curiosity in the scientific community. It's a tantalizing prospect, a world of water in our cosmic backyard, a place where life as we know it could potentially exist. As we continue to explore the mysteries of our universe, we can't help but wonder, what secrets does Europa hold beneath its icy shell? Beneath Europa's icy surface, a vast ocean thrives. It's not a scene from a science fiction novel, but rather a scientific theory that has been gaining ground in recent years. The icy shell of Jupiter's moon Europa is believed to conceal a deep, salty ocean, making it one of the most promising places in our solar system for the potential existence of life. The idea of a hidden ocean on Europa isn't new. The Galileo spacecraft, during its mission in the late 90s and early 2000s, provided the initial evidence of a subsurface ocean through magnetic field measurements. But it's the James Webb Space Telescope that has significantly upped the ante. Its powerful infrared vision can peer through Europa's icy shell, providing us with unprecedented detailed observations of its surface. These observations suggest that the ocean beneath is not a calm, stagnant body of water. Instead, it's a dynamic, churning environment, kept warm by the tidal forces exerted by Jupiter's immense gravity. This heat helps to maintain the ocean in a liquid state, despite the frigid conditions on Europa's surface. What does this mean for the potential of life on Europa? Well, here on Earth, life as we know it requires three key ingredients: water, chemistry, and energy. Europa's ocean has water in abundance. The chemistry part comes from the potential interaction between the ocean and the moon's rocky mantle. As for energy, the aforementioned tidal heating could provide just that. So, in theory, the conditions in Europa's hidden ocean could support life. But we are not talking about dolphins or giant squids here. If life does exist on Europa, it's more likely to be microbial, similar to the extremophiles found in the deep-sea hydrothermal vents on Earth. The discovery of Europa's hidden ocean has opened a new chapter in our quest to find extraterrestrial life. It's a testament to our endless curiosity and our relentless pursuit of knowledge. Europa's hidden ocean could be a game-changer in our quest for extraterrestrial life. If there's an ocean, could there also be life? This is the question that haunts the minds of scientists when they gaze upon the icy surface of Europa. The existence of a hidden salty ocean beneath the moon's icy crust is no longer a matter of speculation but an accepted fact. So, what kind of life could potentially exist on Europa? The answer to this question is, of course, speculative, but scientists have some educated guesses. Let's imagine for a moment that life on Europa, if it exists, could be similar to life in the deep, dark depths of Earth's oceans. In these environments where sunlight doesn't penetrate, organisms have evolved to survive in extreme conditions, harnessing the energy from hydrothermal vents to sustain life. Could similar life forms exist on Europa? It's a tantalizing possibility. But what conditions are necessary for life as we know it? Life as we understand it requires a few key ingredients: a stable environment, a source of energy, and a handful of basic elements, including carbon, hydrogen, nitrogen, oxygen, phosphorus, and sulfur. Europa's ocean, heated by the tidal forces of Jupiter's gravity, could offer a stable environment. The ocean itself could provide the necessary elements for life. And as for energy, well, Europa's ocean floor could be dotted with hydrothermal vents, just like on Earth, providing a potential energy source for life. Of course, these are all speculations. To answer these questions definitively, we need to go to Europa, and that's exactly what scientists are planning. Future missions like NASA's planned Europa Clipper mission will aim to gather more data about Europa's ocean and its potential for life. These missions will not only seek to answer the question of whether there's life on Europa, but also help us understand more about the conditions necessary for life to exist. The possibility of life on Europa is a tantalizing prospect that continues to inspire scientists. As we push the boundaries of our knowledge and explore the mysteries of our solar system, who knows what we'll discover next? The mysteries of Europa's ocean are yet to be fully unraveled. Throughout our journey today, we've dived deep into the icy shell of Jupiter's moon, exploring the tantalizing evidence that points towards a vast, salty ocean beneath its surface. This ocean, hidden from sight and bathed in darkness, holds more than twice the volume of all Earth's water combined. It's a staggering thought, isn't it? The discovery of water traces on Europa is not just a fascinating revelation in itself. It's a beacon of hope, a signal that life, as we know it or as we don't, could potentially exist beyond our earthly confines. Our understanding of life is intrinsically tied to water. Where there is water, there is a possibility of life, and on Europa, there's an abundance of it. Scientific speculation on Europa's subsurface conditions paints a vivid picture. Imagine a world of hydrothermal vents, spewing heat and minerals into the cold ocean depths, creating a stark contrast of environments. It's a scene reminiscent of Earth's deep sea vents, which harbor unique ecosystems. The likelihood of Europa sustaining life, while still a topic of ongoing research, is certainly not out of the realm of possibility. The scenarios painted by scientists and researchers around the world are not just imaginative conjectures. They are grounded in hard scientific facts and are supported by years of meticulous research and exploration. The potential characteristics of extraterrestrial life on Europa may be vastly different from what we're used to. But isn't that the beauty of exploration? The thrill of the unknown? Europa's suitability for sustaining life gives us a glimmer of hope, a tantalizing hint that we might not be alone in this vast universe. As we continue to explore the cosmos, the possibility of discovering life on Europa brings us one step closer to answering the cosmic question, are we alone?